Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a bag of your favorite tortilla chips, about 2 cups of shredded cheese, and any toppings you love, like seasoned ground beef or black beans. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your nachos get perfectly crispy and the cheese melts beautifully. Get ready for a delicious and simple snack. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. Take a large baking sheet and spread a single layer of tortilla chips across it. Don't overcrowd them, give them some space. Next, sprinkle about half of your shredded cheese evenly over the chips. Then, add half of your prepared toppings, like that delicious seasoned ground beef or some black beans. This layering technique ensures every chip gets a generous amount of flavor. It's time to bake. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips slightly golden. Once they are out of the oven, add any fresh, cold toppings you enjoy, like a dollop of sour cream, some fresh salsa, or sliced avocado. Serve these delicious nachos immediately and enjoy your easy creation. Nachos are incredibly versatile, so feel free to get creative. Try different cheese blends like a mix of Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar for a richer flavor. You can also add more vegetables, such as diced red onions, bell peppers, or even corn for extra crunch and nutrition. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy nacho making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.